This is Realme GT, an absolute flagship from Realme with Snapdragon 888 processor and so many other features which are very close to flagship. There is only one feature which is missing, that's wireless charging. But what would you prefer, wireless charging or a headphone jack? Because that's present here. Headphone jack also means that you will be able to stream from this device if gaming is your priority, and gaming is also, there are so many things to talk about. Let's get started with the build quality first, because the phone looks different. It's made out of leather like material. This is not true leather that we are used to. This is vegan leather, so it's sort of close to polycarbonate but not really leather, I would say, but it feels good to hold in hand. This part of the phone is glass and I was like, अरे यार ये क्यों किया? इस पे fingerprints आएंगे very easily, and that's happening right now as well. If this part would have been, let's say, matte black, तो fingerprint भी नहीं आते, थोड़ा अच्छा भी दिखता है, या फिर पूरा भी येलो कर देते और ये कुछ ऑरेंज वगैरह कर देते, which was present on Realme 7 Pro का कुछ एडिशन था, वैसा कुछ होता, then also it would have looked even better. Right now also it looks good, it's just that थोड़ा सा चेंज कर देते, it would have been perfect. There is no dare to live branding written here, और कुछ लाइक डालोगे तो dare to live branding अचानक से बाहर नहीं आता on this particular phone, so no need to worry about that. And this feels like a flagship like device when you hold it in hand. In hand feel is really good. Now when it comes to the pricing, 37,999 or about 38,000 rupees without any offers. With offers you may get it down to 35,000 rupees for Snapdragon 888 processor. And in this particular price segment, the other devices which are present, 30 to 35,000 rupees price segment is something where you can only get the iQOO 7 with Snapdragon 870 processor. There are no devices with Snapdragon 888 processor. There is 40,000 pay Mi 11X Pro and then iQOO 7 Legend and all that devices are there. But this is definitely one of the cheapest Snapdragon 888 devices that you can get in the market. Now you must be wondering, gaming performance bata bhai, gaming ke liye लूं या नहीं लूं? I am glad to report 90 FPS बाय डिफॉल्ट मिलता है आपको ये डिवाइस पे, और 90 FPS एक्चुअल में वर्क करता है BGMI में. ओके, BGMI मेंशन करना भूल गया. एंड व्हेन इट कम्स टू गेमिंग परफॉर्मेंस, अगर आपको डिटेल्ड वीडियो देखना है तो धनंजय गेमिंग चैनल पे जाओ, आपको पूरा डिटेल वाला मिल जाएगा. लेकिन गेमिंग परफॉर्मेंस कैसा है, देन इट इज अमेजिंग. यू डू नॉट नीड टू वरी अबाउट कि लैग करेगा या कुछ करेगा. इवन विद स्क्रीन रिकॉर्डिंग यू विल बी एबल टू गेट कॉन्स्टेंट 80 to 90 FPS विदाउट एनी इश्यूज. 90 FPS directly work नहीं करता out of the box. There are some tricks that you have to use, about which I have talked in my gaming channel video, because those are some random details which are only specifically present for people who are interested in gaming on the Realme GT. Not the Master Edition, Realme GT. But overall, when it comes to gaming, day-to-day performance, Snapdragon 888 was already very good. But on the Realme GT, it performs fantastic as well. When it comes to overheating, my OnePlus 9 Pro, which I have been using for quite some time now, definitely heats up or overheats at times if I use it at full brightness for longer period of times. But surprisingly, Realme GT did not do that. And OnePlus 9 Pro also has this issue where some applications start lagging because they use the A50 series cores instead of A70 series cores and all that stuff, which is not present on the Realme GT, because of which it may feel like a faster device as compared to OnePlus 9 Pro. If I do some benchmark in Chrome browser, then OnePlus 9 Pro will lag behind as compared to Realme GT. And OnePlus 9 Pro starts at 65,000 rupees. This device starts at 38,000 rupees only. So when it comes to performance, I was surprised, and very good performance on the Realme GT is present here. Now, headphone jack is something about which we have to talk, because भाई है इधर, अभी क्या ही बोलूं. iQOO 7 does not have it, Mi 11X does not have it, Realme X7 Max has it, and Realme GT also has it. iQOO 7 Legend does not have it. Samsung devices do not have it. OnePlus 9R, 9 Pro, किसी में भी आपको हेडफोन जैक नहीं मिलेगा, but with the Realme GT you will get that. And I was very happy when I saw the headphone jack. USB Type C port is present, and 65-watt dart charging is also present, which is going to charge the device very quickly. No issues about the charging. 4500 mAh battery is also present. We did not test the battery life thoroughly yet, but you should be able to get about 4 to 5 hours of screen on time very easily on the Realme GT. Realme must have been like, भाई flagship processor दिया तो flagship display भी देंगे. So Samsung's Super AMOLED panel with 120Hz refresh rate is present here. Blacks are amazing. Outdoors, indoors, कहाँ पे भी display देखो, brightness का भी issue नहीं होने वाला. And definitely at the price tag of 40,000 rupees, this is definitely how the display should be. मतलब flagship display तो नहीं बोलूँगा, मतलब I would still prefer Samsung Galaxy S21 Plus or OnePlus 9 Pro's display over Realme GT. But price difference is almost double. That's why I am not going to complain about the display. Nothing to complain here. I'm just saying that the flagships obviously have better display. It's not like 38,000 you're going to get everything which is flagship. Like Realme GT Master Edition does perform good, much better as compared to some of the flagships. If I do a speed test gaming comparison, S21 Plus against S21 Ultra as well against the Realme GT, then this device will perform better. Let it be games like Genshin Impact or BGMI, this will perform better because of better optimization when it comes to software. Realme UI 2.0 is present. We received a software update while we were doing the gaming test, so we were able to see before and after difference, but unfortunately there was no before and after difference because the device was already performing very good before and it was performing same after as well. Now when it comes to camera, these are some of the camera sample shots that we captured from this particular device. Now 64 megapixel camera is present on the Realme GT, and this is where Realme was like, ठीक है 108 megapixel camera नहीं देते, 686 flagship Sony sensor नहीं देंगे, we'll give something which is available in budget segment as well, and that's why the camera sensor on this device is, I mean, okay, again, these are some of the sample shots. Would you say that these are bad sample shots? Not at all. At the price tag of 38,000 rupees, this is how the phone performs. If you want me to do a comparison against OnePlus Nord 2, then here is a side-by-side camera sample comparison of OnePlus Nord 2 and the Realme GT. I know Snapdragon 888 against OnePlus Nord 2 is a different comparison because 30,000, 38,000 price difference bhi bahut zyada hai, but OnePlus Nord 2's camera is actually very good. I would say that's one of the best in this particular price segment. So that's why that was the comparison between these two devices. What do you think about the comparison of camera? Let me know in the comment section box below. And I guess that's pretty much it for the Realme GT. I'm frankly speaking excited that Realme finally launched. Oh wait, this is their first ever flagship device that they launched because there was no Snapdragon 865. Oh what? Wait, there was. No. This is their first in 2021 Snapdragon 888 wala device, one of the cheapest ones. Should you go for this? I feel like the performance is amazing, gaming performance is also very good, and other features which are present on the device including the headphone jack are definitely worth paying 38,000 for. No issues over there. And I guess that's pretty much it for this particular video. If you have any thoughts regarding the Realme GT, let me know about that in the comment section box below. I'll be more than glad to see. If you have any questions, I will answer those as well. Subscribe to the channel if you haven't already and press the bell icon because many more awesome videos like these are going to come real soon on the channel. So yeah, thank you guys. Thank you for watching.